What's up you guys, it's me Mandy from the Oh My God Legally Fab. So today I'm gonna do another unboxing video. This time it's not pick a box, it's something else. It's from
the other day Lazada ada buat Double 11 sale. So they have a special section which is the surprise box new section only for that day, Double 11 day, from beauty to hardware to food, basically everything. So I took the opportunity to purchase 4 boxes from the beauty range. So 1 from Maybelline and 3 from NYX.
The price is at RM59.99. They are to give general hints on what you will get for the box. There will be 4 items for this box. 1 eyeshadow palette, which I really hope is a palette and not like quad or anything. And then 1 lipstick. Also dia tak cakap, dia just generally cakap a lipstick. An eyeliner. And then
the one that I most feared, so scared, which is
a foundation. How dia nak teka our shade. Dia tak ada universal shade. Ta-da!
Well, I was expecting a box in a box, which is like a better looking box, like, you know, bigger box. But then this is...
Okay. Okay, for the first item, thank God it's like... So I got the nudes palette. Tak pernah lagi try dia punya palette because ramai yang complain about the palettes, so macam takut juga. So this is the inside. Dia ada bagi 1 brush, 2 ended brush, span sebelah, and then this one. Ding, 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 ding. Dia ada nama dia dekat atas, so it's easy for you to see what's the shade names. So let's swatch them. Dia ada 12 pens. Ada 5 matte shades and the others semua adalah should I call it glitter? So I'm gonna swatch this. This one.
Okay, this one, and then this one. Then let's swatch this one.
So this two is the can you all see? This one yang glitters lah, glimmer ke apa panggil. So this one and then this one. Nak kata pigmented gila tak lah, tapi ada crumbles, ada fallout lah. So ni juga antara why orang complain fallout.
It's the middle of the night right now and I'm doing this, so I don't have like voice.
Next is a lipstick. Yang colour show Big Apple Red in 209 Red Liberation. The scratch, it's not like super red punya, face to face tak nampak lah bright red sangat. What? Cool tone red. Yes, cool tone red. For the third item,
an eyeliner. It's a Hypermate liquid eyeliner in matte black.
kita akan freaking swatch it. Swatch it. Walau memang super black lah, I tell ya. Kita tengok sejauh mana, secepat mana dia akan kering dan semat mana dia kering.
Wow, tak batch. Tak batch.
And the final item. Ta-da! Oh my. Ta-da! So it's a super BB cushion in fresh matte shade 0T neutral.
Dia ada 2 possibilities. It's either too dark for me or it's somewhat light. I used to use the powder lah. Powder O2 kot, shade O2. But I'm not sure if this one fits me, then why not? And I've never owned any BB cushion from any brands whatsoever. So this might be a good try. So this is the inside. Oh, lighting.
Ting, buka. Dia ada plate for you to put your span. Okay, so boleh buka kat sini. Ew. inside. Not sure about the colour though.
Oh my god.
Macam kena je. Macam kena je. Tapi dia macam pinkish tone lah. Macam boleh je. Macam can do je. Now that you all see, gila cepat hari ni. How about I do a look? Let's do this. So I prep my skin with Maybelline Pore Eraser Primer. And then I might have cheated a bit by using Eborien CC Cream. Now I'm gonna take the BB cushion and let's try it. So that's the puff. I'm trying to put it a bit on my cheek to see whether colour dia kena or not. And it seems like it's working because the colour macam kena. So sekarang I tap out to every part of my face and it does look good somehow. Kena dengan my skin colour and everything seems to be matte and not sticky, pelik-pelik. So now I'm using my Morphe G7 and translucent powder untuk men-setkan my face, and everything seems good, everything seems nice, okay je. Let's move on to our eyes, and then I gunakan NYX Pro Fit eye primer and then I dab it on my eyes, on my eyelids. So I'm using a translucent powder untuk setkan my eyes so that dia tak sticky sangat lah. So now I'm gonna take the eyeshadow palette, tapi I tak gunakan brush sebab macam whatever. So now I'm using my Wet n Wild blending brush and I picked up the shade Crystal and Taupish for my transition shade. Blend bitch, blend. Baru realise dia ada plastic cover. Using the same shade, I buat dekat mata lagi sebelah and sadly benda macam tak appear apa-apa. So sad. Next, I'm using the shade Fur for my outer corner, dragging it a bit to my crease. Lepas tu, macam biasalah, kita blend until there's no tomorrow. Same thing for the other eye. Using the same shade, I gunakan untuk my inner corner pula. I think I want to do a halo, so yeah, I put it on my inner corners lah. And then we blend. And then with a dome-ish angle brush, I use the shade Greige to darken the inner corner, nak bagi nampak ada shade sikit, as well as the outer corner. As you can see, lama-lama nampak powdery, nampak macam after I layered, dia nampak lebih powdery and then nampak macam cakey. So yeah. So I blend balik dengan the transition shades untuk make sure benda tu nampak seamless as possible. Raccoon AF. Now I'm gonna wet my Wet n Wild shading brush and then I took the shade Sandy and then I tap it dekat middle of my eyelid to create a halo look. You really need to pack the colour up untuk baru nampakkan dia. So macam kena banyak layer lah. Blending it in with the transition shade. Masya Allah, fallout dia. Taking my small shading brush by Wet n Wild, I ambil colour 10 and I buat under my lower lash. I picked up Sandy again and then I buat another halo under my lower lash. Now using bare skin, I highlight my inner corner using my finger. Okay, so because I think colour tak cukup dark on the inner corners and outer corners, so I picked up After Hours and I darken the corners. Blend, 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 blend. So I use the eyeliner untuk buat cat eyes. Lipstick time. Alright you guys, this is the final look. I tried to do a hair look. Palette is like not that pigmented. Crumbles, fallouts everywhere.
You need to build up like so many times, so many layers, that benda tu jadi lama-lama jadi powdery. So I don't think it works.
Even the shimmer, you have to spray something for it to work. Cushion, foundation, I think it's like the best thing out of all the 4 things. The lipstick,
Okay lah, creamy okay lah. Pigmented, dia tak patchy tak apa, so it's nice.
ada liquid eyeliner pun okay, no problem. But this palette, no. So I tried to do gold halo look. So tell me what y'all think about this look. Maybe I could done it better.
Video if you liked it lah. And then yeah, thank you for watching and I'll see you soon. Thank you very much.